Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre. We've got a really fun, easy recipe for you guys today featuring some deer tenderloin or backstrap. We're going to be featuring the Kamado grill from Carolina Cooker. It's only 4 ingredients in this. We've got some butter, we've got about a cup of light brown sugar, a cup of soy sauce, and then we've got about a tablespoon of the Carolina Cooker hickory barbecue mix. Set this pot on the grill. We're gonna get this guy melted. All right, so now that the sauce is actually kind of melted down and incorporated, what we're gonna do is reserve about half of it and reduce that again. That's gonna be kind of the dipping sauce that goes in on this. Using our 2-quart sauce pot, Carolina Cooker. We're just gonna set this one off to the side. So we got our salt and pepper marinated deer. We're gonna go ahead and get it marked. We're gonna give it about 20 seconds on each turn and do a half turn and then flip it over and do about another 20 seconds. So it is gonna go back on and get cooked to temp. We're gonna do what we kind of call a dip and flip. All right, so the deer's ready. You wanna let it rest for a minute, which gives the sauce another couple minutes to kind of reduce and really thicken up. So now that we've let the deer rest for about 5 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and slice it and get it ready to serve. So now we're just gonna finish it off with a little bit of the sauce reduction that we made out of the basting sauce. And this is it. You can serve it with a side or you can eat it how it is like this. And it's great when you're able to take wild game out in the field, but it's even better when you're able to incorporate it into a meal.